Hey, Kwame Love from Plant-Based Partners. Welcome back to the channel. And so what I'm recreating today is a meal that one of my favorites, chicken wings, except we're going to use vegan wings. And these wings are by Blackbird, and they're actually really high in protein. There are 3 servings in each bag, and the protein count in one bag is 51 grams of protein. Now, to go with our wings, we're going to make a cold slaw. This is just going to be some carrots, cucumbers, and cilantro. The chicken wings actually come with sauces, buffalo, and like a tangy barbecue sauce. So you won't need any sort of dressing, honestly. So that's going to make this meal really easy to make and super tasty. And so first, we take our wings out of the bag, and there's several ways you can make them. Now, I made our wings in the air fryer, right, for 12 minutes, 6 minutes on each side. So when you get to 6 minutes, you just flip them over. But honestly, I love my chicken wings crispy. So really, if you really want to get them crispy, you should either deep fry them or, put some oil in a pan, probably about 1/4 of an inch worth of oil. I would use coconut oil and just fry them and get them really crispy. And then, once they're done, we took them out of the air fryer, put them in a bowl, and then just added the sauce. It's really that easy. And then, so while they were cooking, within the 12 minutes, we made our cold slaw. We made our salad with carrots. We shaved the carrots, chopped up our cucumbers, and took some sprigs and chopped up our cilantro. I like the stems and everything of the cilantro because it has so much iron and a lot of nutritional elements that are really good for you. I just chop up the whole cilantro and put it in there. All right, and so there you have it. Another super high protein, really fast meal. We're talking 15 minutes tops, no starch, because starch turns into sugar when it hits the bloodstream. And this is what really makes our weight fluctuate and go up. And also sodium allows us to retain a lot of water weight. We're doing high protein, low sodium diets. And like my brother-in-law wanted, this meal is very tasty. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you all on the next one. Peace.